Yes, children, welcome back again. This is Vedagopal sir for Little Hearts Publications with English Book 2, Lesson 4 exercise we are going to discuss in this period. Under what have you understood? This is a task for summative assessment. In the first one, there are some questions given. Let us see and discuss the answers for those questions. How are trees useful to the creatures on the earth? How means in what way or in what ways? In what ways or how are the trees useful to the creatures on the earth? Trees give food, clothes and medicines. They give us wood to build house, make furniture and also to make fire. And they are also used in making medicines. And they give shelter to animals and birds. In this way, or in these ways rather, trees are useful to the creatures on the earth. Creatures means including human beings and animals, birds. Number 2, what do the trees give us? Trees give us many things. Trees give us food. Trees give us air, fresh air. Trees give us water because trees only cause rains. Like that we go on saying that what do the trees give us? How do the trees cool the surroundings? How do the trees cool the surroundings? The trees cool the surroundings by releasing water vapor into the air. Trees release water vapor into the air and cool the surroundings. Question number 4. What cause rains? Yes, trees only cause rains. Question number 5. Name the parts of the trees which are used in making medicines. What different parts of the trees are used in making medicines? Leaves, shells and roots. These are some of the parts of the trees which are used in making medicines. How many kinds of trees are there on the earth? Children, question number 6. Let us see. According to the trees themselves, there are around 3.5 lakh kinds of trees on the earth. 7th question. How many years do the trees live generally? Generally, the trees live for 100 to 500 years. But some of the trees lived up to 4,000 to 5,000 years also, like bristlecone pine in the United States of America. In the second bit, there are some blanks. Children, fill in the blanks with suitable words. And when you read the lesson, we understand the lesson, you can write the blanks correctly. There is no dash on the earth without trees. What is the first blank there? There is no life on the earth. Blanks. We make furniture with, how do we make furniture? Wood. We make furniture with wood. Trees make the dash pure and clean. Trees make the air pure and clean. Trees give us dash to live. Oxygen to live. Some parts of some plants are used in making medicines. Some parts of the plants are used in making medicines. These are the fill in the blanks. All these words are there in the lesson, children. So you have to develop the habit of reading the lesson so that you can easily write the answers for such kind of things. The second bit is language in use, means grammar. Read the following sentences. We are trees. There is no life without trees. Look at these sentences and look at the underlined words also. What are the verb forms of the words underlined? You can see that there in the table, children, in page number 37. The verb forms are given there: V1, V2, V3, V4. V1 means first form of the verb, second form, third form, fourth form. So are past form is were, past participle is been, present participle or ing form is being. In the same way, is, was, been, being. These are the other forms of the verb given there. Now read the other sentences given there. Trees help the mankind. Trees do not help the mankind. Not help is given. Whatever given there in the brackets, they are used there in the blanks. Trees give us food. Give is given there in the brackets. Trees do not give us food. Not give is given. So, now complete these sentences. Use the correct forms of the words given in brackets. Trees dash us food. Give is given. So, give us. Trees dash us wool. Not give. Do the trees give us wool? No. So, trees do not give us wool. Like that we have to complete the sentences. Trees give us food. Trees do not again the same word is given in the brackets. Because trees do not give us wool, we write do not. Because they give us food, we write trees give us food. Like that we have to fill in the blanks. Okay children, you understood? We dash furniture with wood. We make furniture with wood. We dash clothes with wood. Do we make clothes with wood, children? No. So we do not make clothes with wood. Third sentence, A. Trees dash shelter to animals. Trees give shelter to animals. But trees do not give shelter to all animals. Only some animals and birds only. Trees give shelter, not all the animals. So we write trees do not give shelter to all animals. Fourth sentence, A. Trees dash water in the form of vapor. Release. Trees release water in the form of vapor. Trees do not release water in its original form. Do the trees release water in its original form? No. So we write trees do not release water in its original form. Fifth sentence, A. We can dash crops on plain land. We can grow crops on the plain land. We can dash crops in a desert. Not grow. We cannot grow crops in a desert because a desert is full of sand. So there is no chance of growing crops there. In the next is word now or vocabulary. Which words in the text mean the same as? Not useful. The meaning of this word you have to write. Not useful means you write useless there. One word we have to write. Second one, not take. Not take means what? Give. Not dead. Alive. Like that we have to write the words from the textbook which give these meanings. Not hot means cold. Not wet means dry. Like this, we have to pick up these words, all are there in the lesson. And their explanations are given there, beginning with not. So we are asked to pick up the words from the textbook and write. Now C2, look at that. Look at the pictures, write a word from the text under each of them. Tick the words which are obtained from trees. Under the first picture, these are some insects. Are these obtained from trees? No. So you should not tick there. Next one is blanket. Next one is a chair and a mirror. After that, vegetables and fruits. Then human beings. Then water vapor. All these, which of them are obtained from trees or which of them are got from trees, you have to tick. You know which of them are got from trees? Very carefully you study the pictures and then tick the answers there. Not all. All of them are not. See, for example, human beings are not obtained from trees. So you should not tick it there. Whereas vegetables and fruits you have to tick because they are obtained from trees only. Next D, pronunciation. Now see this pronunciation. Look at the underlined parts there, each of the words given. In this T is pronounced as, see T is underlined, here also the letter T is underlined. But you see the pronunciation there, creature. How is it pronounced? The T is pronounced not as T here. The T is pronounced as cha. See, creature. In the same way, furniture. So here also in these two words, T is pronounced as CH in this particular word, children. Just like CH in this word, the letters CH in this word are pronounced. In these two words, T is pronounced the same way, furniture, creature. Now read the following sets of words. Circle the words in which the underlined parts sounds the same way as in the keyword. Let us see the exercise here. Now it is given teacher, and what is underlined there? CH. Let us see which word is exactly pronounced the same way as the underlined part. School, nature. That one you have to teacher means cha sound, school ka sound, mechanic k sound. So we have to write circle the word nature. Teacher, nature. Do they pronounce in the same way or not, children? Very carefully follow. Next, vulture. It's the name of a very big bird, vulture. Look at this, preacher, machine, writer. So, vulture, preacher, you have to circle this one. The same way, chair, pronounced as cha. Look at that. Cheap, coarse, and cast. This is pronounced as K. So you have to circle this word. Cheap, chair, chin, cart, camel. Look at the sound of the underlined part there. And chain. Chin, chain. So you have to circle this word. This is what all these exercise about. Some important spelling rules are also given there. In the next exercise, read these words. When life is singular, you cannot write LIFES as plural. Just you cannot simply add yes and make it plural. We have to change the spelling there. Life becomes lives in plural. Instead of F, we write V. In the same way, leaf. But when you write the plural of leaf, you should not write F there, you should write V. So, leaf, plural form is leaves. Okay, children, let us see this importance of the pronunciation. Singular, plural, spellings. The words which end with F sound take VES for their plurals. For example, look at these blanks there. Trees have dash. Plural form of leaf is leaves. In the brackets, singular is given. We have to write the plural of it. There are many kinds of dash in the shop. Here, knife. So you have to write the plural as knives. This is how we write the sentence. Many people lost their dash in recent floods. We have to write the word lives there in the blank. Many dash spend their time watching TV serials. Housewife, plural form is housewives. See, whichever singular takes F, its plural takes VES. You can see that there. If any word ends with F, if you want to write plural forms for that, you have to remove that F and write VES as plural. Writing skills, children, write the sentences about how trees are useful to us. Not the entire lesson, you have to write some sentences about the importance of or the things or in what ways the trees are useful to us. You can use a dictionary, like read the words ant, boy, chair, doll. The above words are said to be in alphabetical order. Alphabetical order means what? The alphabet A, B, C, D, if we go to a dictionary, if we see a dictionary, all the words which begin with A are found there at the beginning. Like that, all the words which begin with B are found in some other pages under B. So it is known as writing the words in alphabetical order. Now see, some words are given there and we are asked to write them in alphabetical order. Let us see how to write that one. Life, earth, creature, furniture, tree, house. Now, do you all know alphabet, children? A to Z in an order. Can you read the letters of alphabet in order? Yes. First comes A. Are there any words here beginning with A? No. Then B. Is there any word here? No. Next letter after A and B, what is the next letter? C. Is there any word beginning with C? Yes, that is there. So we have to write creature as the first word here in the alphabetical order. C followed by what? D. Is there any word here beginning with D? No. Is there any word beginning with E? It is there. Earth. Is there any word beginning with F? Yes. Furniture is there. Is there any word beginning with G? H is there. G is not there, but H it is there. House. H after I. Is there any word beginning with I here? No. J? No. K? No. L? It is there. Life. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. No words are there. But next is tree. Because after S we get T. So we write, this is what is called writing the words in alphabetical order. Okay, children, with that we come to the end of this lesson. We'll be taking up the next lesson in the next class. Thank you.